Okay, let's have a look at the light blue Nissan on the left-hand side. Looks like you might want to turn right, slow down. I'll leave you a bit of a gap, shall I, mate? Go on then if you want to come across. No, not going to indicate. No, you're going to go straight on? Not quite sure what you're going to do. Oh well, here comes the roundabout. Yeah, yeah, oh, he's definitely going straight on. Look, he's keeping in that lane. Well done. Yeah, keeping that lane. Oh, oh my God, here he comes. Well done. What do I do? Do you want me to overtake you, or are you going to stop? Oh, you don't know what to do. Well done. How about you turn left next? Oh my God, what is going on?